Hey guys, Justin here from Simplified Investing. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. This is our weekly watch list video highlighting the 5 stocks we are watching this week. First one being XOM, second one being Google, third one FedEx, fourth one Netflix, and then the fifth one Microsoft. Hope you guys enjoy. So getting things started, if you've watched our prior videos, the first thing I'm going to be doing is breaking down the market, and I'm going to be doing that by using SPY. It's going to be the S&P 500 index. We'll break this down on what we saw within the past week and then what we can expect to see within the coming week. So basically we get this bear flag here on 3-6. So we get these two inside bars here. One thing to note, very strong weekly buying pressure here on this 313 week. A nice close here above this bear flag high here, and then basically an inside weekly bar here. So if we go to the daily chart here, not much movement. We get this initial move higher here on a nice trending structure here. You can see this series of higher highs, higher lows, and nice movement to the upside here. Met with some selling pressure here on 4-4, and then basically a double inside bar here double inside bar here on Wednesday, and then Thursday heading into the extended holiday. What I would like to see is, I think if we can get some strength here over 410, there's room up into this 414, 415 region above here. This 414, 415 region, crucial above here. You can see we have continually failed to reject this region. If we do get some strength above here, I do think we have room up into this 419 to 420 area. But it's really going to be key here if we can hold this 414 to 415 area this coming week on that hold over 410. As for a stronger support region below this 404, 403.85 to 404, basically 50. Not a bad region below here. Nice trending continuation here. Going into the hourly here, let's zoom in a little bit. Pretty choppy price action here. Not getting much here. We got a decent follow through on Thursday, but really low volume here as expected heading into that extended weekend here. And let's actually drag this lower here for you guys. So you can see this trending continuation here. Obviously a nice series of higher highs, higher lows. Any strength over this 410 region, eyeing for this move up into that 414 and 415 area above. Any selling pressure here below 406, watching a bounce into this 404 area. If we do get some sell-off here, 402 and 400, the key levels below that. The first play is going to be one that's been strong, and really this gap up comes from that OPEC news that we got here. Basically a big gap up on volume, and then we're forming this bull wedge, or basically this wedge pattern here. I want to see this hold this 114.69 area. If we do go in here, we're getting close to this in the after hours here, but a very strong level here. So if we hold this area here at this 114.69, I do think we can trade up into that 117.73 area. Some relative strength here in this sector, or the energy sector, as OPEC did announce that oil production release. So watching this, holds this 114.69 area, I do think we can trade back up into this 117.73 area on this wedge move here with these three inside bars here on lower volume. The second play of the week is going to be one that's strong, and it's going to be a mega cap mover trying to form basically this cup and then this handle breakout right here. And a decent amount of volume on Friday considering heading into the weekend. Not often that you see Google moving almost 4%, so something to note, and on some higher volume than normal. A hold above 108.46, watching this one for a continuation move up into this 112.38 region above here. The main key is going to be this 108.46 region. I want to see this continuation move here, and instead of seeing it poke its head through on high volume and then immediately trade back down here. So if this were to hold and follow through, watching this for that move up into this 112.38 region above here. The third play is going to be FedEx, a nice, basically similar pattern here, curling pattern here off this earnings. We have profit taking, hedge funds, institutions managing their position off of this and digesting the new earnings. Nice move up here, gap up, and then we hold this 230 region. So if we go in here on this hourly chart, you can see this strong 230 region here. So watching this 230 to 231 support area here for a potential move up into this 238 area. And really that comes from back here on this move up here. Rejected this, we got the spike up, and now let's see if we can hold this 230 area for that continuation move higher into that 238 region above. As for the fourth play, a really interesting name here, and something that's holding this very strong support area here is Netflix. It's holding this 332.50 to basically 336.35 area. A wider range here, but a pivotal level here on Netflix. So you can see we got this gap up, pull back here, and rally, hold here, acts as resistance. Now we're holding this support here. So if we can hold this support and continue higher, I do think we have room up into this 350 area here, which was on our watch list last week for that move into the 348.82, and we got that. So watching this hold here for this continuation move higher up into that 350 zone above here this week. Lastly, another mega cap name with quite a bit of strength here. This big key is in this 290.73, 290.75 area. And that comes back from back here about a year ago. You can see this chop that we've had around this level, failed, sold off, and now we're testing again here on a pretty strong bullish candle here. Not on any crazy abnormal volume, but some nice strength here. Hold of 290.73, I do think we have room up into 296.69, and that was this gap fill area back here. And then above that, up into that 300 region here on a strength continuation on this name. With that being said, that wraps up the 5 plays that we are watching for the coming week. If you did enjoy this video, if you could please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. And if you are interested in checking out our team to get our course alerts and more, feel free to head to our website, simplified-investing.com today. Hope you guys all have a great Easter and a great extended weekend, and see you guys all on Monday. Thank you.